Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO team per Lemon. Today we will learn how to send bulk messages and make a WhatsApp chat bot and start a marketing campaign using WhatsApp actually. So the process is simple. Just sign up on the Wata.Online, make your account. I have done. So now I am logged in. Go to this WhatsApp, scan the code, and you will have this dashboard. So here in bulk messaging, you need to create a campaign. For example, I have tested here some campaigns. Click on the new campaign, select profile. For example, it's my WhatsApp profile. I can connect another one also, and the name is my first campaign. And I can also use the contact groups. So for contacts, just go there in WhatsApp contacts and make a new group. Its name is my first contact group. It will be a contacts list actually. After creating the group, click on this button. Let's refresh. Yeah, here click on the import. And you can also upload a CSV and download the example template to make your own CSV, or by just form simply type the numbers or copy and paste the numbers here. I have already done this. So with this, go to the campaign. It's my first campaign, and I am using my first contact group and using this profile. You can see here it's unofficial. It means this WhatsApp profile is not affiliated with WhatsApp Business API. Once you will have the WhatsApp Business API, you can enjoy the more features on this platform like button messages, list messages. You can also collect the responses via form within WhatsApp and then directly fetch on the Google Sheets. We will create another video on this. So here you can use the simple text and media. You can attach your media here, type your message here. You can also use OpenAI for this purpose, and you can, if your profile is official, you are associated with, you are verified by WhatsApp Business API, then you can send the button messages and list messages as well. So in button messages, you can see here I have already created a chatbot which is handling the data, handling the orders actually. So I can also schedule this campaign in daytime, nighttime, odd and even. So also add the interval. My minimum interval is 6 seconds and maximum is 31 to avoid the ban my WhatsApp number. So if you want to schedule the campaign, then just select, otherwise set this empty and click on the schedule. So here you can use the autoresponder based on the keywords in the messages. For example, I am using autoresponder. Can enable or disable, send to all or send to a individual or on a specific group. So in autoresponder we can also send the buttons, but remember you must have the verified WhatsApp Business API for button and list messages, but the text and medias are active on the simple unofficial. So here you can set, you can also add the random message by spin tags. So here is the chatbot. You can make a chatbot here. Okay, go to the item list. And it is a chatbot I have created for a hotel or kind of restaurant. If someone type the word order in the message, then it will show the order menu, or it can send a messages. You can also use OpenAI here. We will find and learn how to use this OpenAI feature here in another video. So it's the simple process. Also you can export the participants from any group. For example, I am using this profile, and from my mobile I will send a message. I have sent a message in this group. So now you can see I'm in the guest posting group. It has 899 participants. Click on the download. It will download the CSV file which has the numbers, phone numbers of all the participants. Thank you.